What's up, y'all? It's your girl Day, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing.
Hey, yo, DB, come in here real quick. Yo, what's poppin', man? Hey, try this out one time. All right, I got it.
I was recently chosen to be a brand ambassador for this company by the name of Afriq Cosmetics. They sent me a package in the mail. I did open up the box to get a slight peek just because I was so excited to see what was inside, but I didn't open the actual products. I wanted to wait to do that on camera with you all. Okay, this is really cute. First impression. Packaging is everything. I really like this. It's so cute. It has the brand name on the actual packaging. I'm not sure what's inside. From the look of it, I'm going to assume that it's an eyeshadow palette. This is so cute. It's shaped like a diamond and period. Okay, so if y'all could look at me now, y'all see I have really long eyelashes. So looking at these lashes, these are fire. Like, they're in the style Cairo. Get into it, yes. These are fire. And I'm gonna make sure I put these on because y'all need to see these. Let's see what else is in this box. Okay, packaging, period. So y'all see this time it is a different container and it has her personal labeling on here with the company name Afriq Cosmetics. And I'm gonna be sure to put their actual Instagram name on here so you all can be sure to check them out. And they are a growing Black-owned business, and we love supporting a Black-owned business because we love to see it. So we're gonna go back to this, which was the first thing that I took out the bag. Oh. And it's a palette and it's so pretty. The cover of it itself is colorful. And I know this is something very small, but I really do like when palettes come with an actual sleeve with it. And that's what this one is. Her packaging off top, very impressive, and it attracts me to the product. So we're about to get into this palette. We're going to do some swatches just to see what colors it is. Oh yes, ma'am. Look at this color choice. This is giving me the vibes of BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, but this is better. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna do swatches of all the colors on my arms so y'all can get a better look at the palette. I want to see how pigmented it is and also like how smooth it applies, if it's more of a powder or a cream type shadow, so you all can have all the details. First, I'm gonna go row by row for each color. So first we're gonna do the reds. That's my favorite one. Looking at the palette, these are the colors. Didn't do a good job of swatching it so y'all could see, but it goes in this order. So I'm gonna show it. The glitter is very pigmented and the application of it is smooth. I thought it was gonna be more of a chunky consistency, but it's actually not. So for the second one, we're gonna move on to the next row, which is the oranges, and it also has this purple glitter at the end. Oh, that's cute too. So me, I'm really a fan of glitter. I love how glitter looks. So we're gonna look at these colors that's on here, looking at it this way with the oranges. Now with me, because of my skin color, I didn't do primer or anything on it, just straight application of the product. So more of the orangish, yellowish type colors don't show up that well. but they are pigmented, and from the looks of it, if I were to use primer, it would show up much better. I'm about to go ahead and take this off so we can move on to the next row of colors. So next is the row of yellows, so I'm about to go through those. I ain't gonna lie, this first color is like a yellow goldish type color. This is just fine. Okay, so I have swatched the yellow, and overall I can say it is really hard to find good pigmented yellows as well as white. In the middle of this row, it is a white color, and it actually shows up really good on my skin before it's primer or anything, just on my bare skin. The glitter, once again, I love glitter. It is so pretty, and it shows up really good. When light hits it, it reflects. It gives off a green hue. Alright, so this row right here with the greens is the one that I just swatched. And here are the colors. So far, my favorite thing about this palette is honestly the glitters, because it shows up so defined and it's not chunky. So I feel like the actual application of the glitter shadow with other shadows will be flawless, instead of it leaving particles, or not necessarily particles, but smudging the regular powder eyeshadow. It's a very good consistency to it. The next row will be the blues, which is right here. This blue, the first blue is really pretty, and the second one is too. As a personal choice, I don't really like shimmery eyeshadow. I like glitter, but I don't like shimmery. I prefer matte, but these are doing something to me. Like, they're shimmery and I like it. It's like it's not overpowering. It's like just a slight shimmer, which will give a good pop, I guess you can say, to an eye look. The blues going in this order. I'm telling y'all about these glitters because look at it. Fire. It's thick. It's not all sparse. Baby, get into it. And I would say, if you're an MUA, a makeup artist, that you have to do a variety of looks, this is a great palette because it has a large range of colors and shades. But if you just like to do your makeup as well, this will be good. But I highly recommend this palette for makeup artists. And for all the products that I'm featuring in this video, I'm going to be sure to put the name of it with the link so you can access it directly from my video. And I'm also going to include a link to their Instagram so you can go follow them. Moving on to the next row, we're almost done here with the palette. It's the pinks. We're going to do the pinks now, and then next will be the purples. And let me show you. And if you look, you can see the reflection of the pink glitter with the greenish blue color. Pink is a color for me I have to put on primer just because of the undertones in my skin. It doesn't seem to be that prominent or doesn't show up that well. But with primer, with a little setting powder, this pink will be very pigmented. Very similar to the very first color that I swatched right here. Lastly, we're swatching the row of purples. Okay, so we swatched in this order right here, and here are the colors. Overall, looking at the entire palette, I would say that it is very pigmented. I do recommend, after swatching, it's some colors that I'm questioning how good it would show up. I guess you can describe it as pigment, but I just wonder how the actual application of the coloring showing up would be. Once again, this is the palette from Afriq Cosmetics. I'm going to give you one more look at it. Alright. So far we have unboxed the lashes and the palette. I have one more thing that was sent to me. It's in this pink package right here. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. Okay. So I have Afriq gloss. Let's see the gloss. Oh, okay. So it's a gold color. It's really cute actually. And the actual gloss, it has a brush on here. And I think I'm going to incorporate this gloss into the makeup look that I do with the lashes. So stay tuned. I'm not going to say I'm going to do a video on it doing the tutorial, but I will take some Instagram pictures using these products. Next, moving on, it is Afriq Cosmetics 3D Curl Mascara. Okay. One thing that I can say about this brand that I really like is the packaging. I know you're probably tired of hearing me say this. Packaging. They have their branding down to the T. Their name is on every single product. If it's the box, the actual container, everything. So just looking at it, it's a good one. I'm not really a mascara girl because I always put on lashes, but before I put on my lashes, I do prep with mascara. Lastly is this. It doesn't say what it is on the outside of the package, so I'll open it up and see what it is. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so first let's just look at the packaging. And it has the company name, Afriq Cosmetics, on here. And the outside is so pretty. I don't even know what it is. I haven't even looked at it. I'm stuck on the fact of, baby, it's bedazzled, got rhinestones and some more. Who you know got packaging like this? I'll wait. But no, seriously. What is this? Y'all, all it is for some eyeliner, and it's an eyeliner marker. I love eyeliner markers for doing wing liners. And like, this is the level of extra that I aspire to be every day when I wake up. Like, all it is for some eyeliner, like, show me another company that's out here with packaging down to the T. Overall, I would say they sent me some great products. I'm really impressed. I will give you all a further update once I actually do a full application using the products that they sent me. Once again, this is from Afriq Cosmetics, and their Instagram is actually at Afriq Cosmetics. So I will be sure to leave links to all the products down below. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And if you have some ideas for other videos that you all would like to see, be sure to let me know. And if you want me to do promo for your company, I can do a YouTube video, and I also do promo on my Instagram. My Instagram is at Deja_Novu. All of this information will be down below. You can either DM me or you can email my business email. It'll be in the description box below. So until then, I'll see y'all later. Be ready for the next video. Bye.